The 2021 lockdown restrictions are easing, and a good indication of that is the fact that we are getting new products into the Indian market once again. Yamaha Motor India has some exciting launches that they have announced, and I have someone very special with me. I have Mr. Ravinder San from Yamaha Motor India, who will be sharing with us the insights and more knowledge about the new products that have been launched in India today. So, Ravinder San, welcome. It's very nice to have you here.
Thank you, Manav, for having an interview.
Let's just talk about the new products. If you could tell us what you've launched and a description of the new scooters and motorcycles that have been announced for the Indian market.
We have launched today FZX. This is a kind of a neo-retro and tough image, a kind of a bike, 149cc FI engine. And especially if I see from the looking at the target customer who are mainly go for a touring or a kind of a rugged bike. So a lot of metallic parts you can see in this bike, and we have make a very comfortable, upright and bold riding position. And we have provided the block pattern tires matching to the image and of this bike. And a lot of features we have added in this vehicle based on the customer requirement, like Yamaha Motorcycle Connect. And first time as a CCU is where message is displayed on the meter itself about the position and the location of the bike. And we have also a new designed negative display we have introduced, and a bifunctional headlight, which is a LED headlight with a DRL. And LED tail light. So these are all combination fully loaded bike we have introduced today. And
a couple of scooter updates have also happened, right?
Yeah, today we have also showcased our upcoming new scooters, especially with the Facino 125 FI hybrid. We have showcased. Again, LED headlight. Again, in this vehicle also we introduced Bluetooth connectivity, which is going to be a very additional values to the customer, which customer can enjoy.
I want to talk a little bit about the hybrid technology. You see, the scooter segment in India is really price sensitive. And people, while manufacturers, in order to cater to that price sensitive market, try to keep their prices low. And that is why we don't see much of the innovation in terms of the mechanical prospects of a scooter. The innovations are coming in terms of the features that a scooter is getting. So in this same duration, you've come out with a hybrid technology. So what is it exactly for our viewers? And what does it do, if you could simplify it?
So the hybrid technology is with the electric power assist, which will give the extra torque when we start and stop to the start system. So which will give the further push, a kind of a better torque can be generated. So we started with the automatic stop and start system earlier in model. Now we have upgraded further as a hybrid with the electric system.
How has it been for Yamaha Motor India throughout this first and then coming back and then going to the second lockdown, and then now at this stage we are coming out of it once again? So how has it been, and where do you see the market headed in the coming months?
There were in the first wave when last year came, and where the market was completely locked for 2 months, there was no business. And then definitely there are a lot of learning we learned from the first wave. Especially how to start our operation smoothly, our dealership, of course, how to manage, especially social distancing, hygiene norms. There are a lot of learning, and then step by step, I think together, and even for our supplier part, which will mainly affected a lot. And so the whole supply chain was affected. But after that learning, I think second wave, we are much more, I think, better equipped to take this kind of a thing. Because it was not a national lockdown, it was a state-wise, and where the timeline was very clear, how from which period to which period. So we can make our plan very robust way or very so that only when the dealers start opening, we see a green zone. So we can apply our all learning to make a smooth opening. And now we can say things are coming back on track slowly, and partial openings are happening. And we are thinking now, looking at the scenario, very soon things become normal and come back to the track. That is what we understand.